Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the easiest way to fix HSBC international transfer issues that might be holding you back. If you've ever faced problems with HSBC international transfers, you're not alone. But don't worry, resolving these issues can be straightforward once you follow the right steps. Here's a professional and clear step-by-step guide to get your international transfer running smoothly again. First, start by verifying your beneficiary details carefully. Double-check the recipient's name, account number, and especially the SWIFT or BIC code. Errors here are the most common cause of transfer failures. Next, ensure your account is fully verified and authorized for international transfers. HSBC requires certain verification levels and may restrict transfers if documentation is incomplete or outdated. Visiting your local branch or updating your account online can fix this quickly. After confirming these details, review the transfer limits on your HSBC account. Transfers exceeding daily or monthly limits may be blocked, so adjust your transfer amount accordingly or contact HSBC support to discuss limit increases. Another important step is to check if the destination country has any sanctions or restrictions which could prevent transfer completion. HSBC complies with international banking regulations and may block transfers to certain countries or entities. If everything seems correct on your end, the next step is to contact HSBC customer service directly. Have your transaction reference number handy and ask for a status update or clarification on any holds or errors. Sometimes a simple manual release or clarification request from their side can resolve the issue fast. Additionally, using HSBC's online banking platform or mobile app to initiate and track your transfers provides real-time updates and can alert you immediately if any problem occurs. Make a habit of checking transfer confirmations and notifications to catch potential problems early. Lastly, if you encounter recurring issues, consider speaking with a HSBC International Transfer Specialist who can provide personalized help or alternative transfer solutions. Following these steps methodically ensures you swiftly identify and fix common HSBC international transfer problems without frustration. Don't let transfer issues delay your plans. These simple checks and direct communication with HSBC typically solve them effectively. We hope this guide makes your international transfers smoother and stress-free. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful banking tips and tutorials.